Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can connect Telegram as a chat app to your ZeroClaw bot setup. So let's get right into it. Now in this video I'll be only showing the Telegram step process, and if you would like to know how you can set up ZeroClaw completely step by step as a beginner, you can watch my full beginner guide by clicking in the upper right corner of this video, or you can just find it on the channel. And then afterwards you can just come back to this video for the Telegram step. But now let's go ahead and continue. Now for this you would just need to first open up your terminal on your device or on your VPS. So I have it set up locally on my hosting VPS with Olama, but the process is still the same on whichever device you are. So essentially, once you're on your terminal, here I have the OpenClaw onboard setup, but it doesn't matter how your terminal looks, you would just need to initiate this command right here. So ZeroClaw onboard channels only. Now let's go ahead and press enter, and this command will lead us to the channel setup wizard. So this is a similar wizard like on OpenClaw, but here we would again just need to use our arrow keys on our keyboard to select the chat app of our choice. So this is a Telegram setup video, so I'll just go ahead and press enter to confirm Telegram as our selected chat app of choice. And once that is finished, we will need to go to Telegram and then just go ahead and create a bot on Telegram. So once you have your Telegram opened, as you can see, the guide says first open up Telegram and then message the user at botfather. So you would just need to search for botfather in the search bar of Telegram and then select this user right here. So this is a bot that would allow us to create new bots on Telegram, which then we can connect our bot that we created to our ZeroClaw as a proxy of communication. So for this, once you're in the chat with the botfather, just go ahead and use this command, new bot right here, and then this will start the new bot creation process. From here, just go ahead and select a username for your bot. So I'll just say bot77 for example. So actually this was a display name, and now we would need to select a username. So I'll just add some random numbers and then just end it with this prefix right here. So this is what would allow us to create a bot. So just make sure that your bot also ends up with _bot. Then let's go ahead and check if it's available, and yes, this username was available and the bot was automatically created. Next up, what we need from this message right here is our pairing API token, which is this thing right here. So just go ahead and click on that and then paste it over under the bot token that ZeroClaw needs. Once you have your pairing token pasted over, just go ahead and confirm it with enter, and then this can take a few moments for everything to connect. Now it's connected to our bot that we just created. As you can see, the username that it pulled is the same as the username of our bot that we created. Next up, what you would need to do is just write this star right here and then press enter, and that's the setup process complete. From there, just go ahead and press enter on done to finish the setup. And then let's go ahead and restart the gateway with this command right here, or the daemon. And now, as you can see, you would need to get this message right here. Telegram channel is listening for messages. Next up, once you see that, you can just go ahead and open your Telegram again and then just click on your bot right here, that link that we got from our botfather message, and then just start your bot. So I got this message because I didn't connect it to an API, but if you did your setup correctly, it will just respond. So if you want to watch a full setup video on how to set up your ZeroClaw bot, you can watch that video on the channel, and that is the Olama setup, so it's completely local. But in this video, I only showed you the Telegram step. So I assume you have already set up everything. And if you did, this will work. But if you didn't, you can watch the full setup video. But essentially guys, that's how you can set it up. your ZeroClaw with Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.